Paorinher Farm, nourishing minds and bodies, the gift of Paorinher Farm. To our vibrant community, I am thrilled to share with you the incredible story of Paorinher Farm, a beacon of hope and prosperity for our school and the entire community. This thriving farm is more than just a plot of land. It's a symbol of collaboration, hard work, and dedication to our collective well-being. Our farm is bursting with an array of delicious and nutritious produce, including onions, tomatoes, eggplants, red peppers, bananas, passion fruit, avocados, and many more. These fresh fruits and veggies are not only a testament to the farm's success, but also a vital resource for our community. The importance of Paorinher Farm cannot be overstated. By providing fresh produce to our school and community, the farm is enhancing food security, ensuring that our children and families have access to healthy, nutritious food, which is essential for their growth, development, and well-being. Promoting sustainable living, demonstrating environmentally friendly farming practices that preserve our natural resources for future generations. Fostering community engagement, bringing people together through farming activities, workshops, and shared harvests, which strengthens social bonds and builds a sense of belonging. Supporting education, providing hands-on learning opportunities for our learners, teaching them valuable skills about agriculture, nutrition, and sustainability. The contributions of Paorinher Farm are numerous and far-reaching. Some of the notable benefits include fresh produce for school meals, enhancing the nutritional value of our school meals and promoting healthy eating habits among our learners. Income generation, creating opportunities for farmers and community members to earn a steady income through farm-related activities. Community empowerment, equipping community members with skills and knowledge to establish their own gardens and farms, promoting self-sufficiency and food security. Let us come together to celebrate the spirit of Paorinher Farm, Whether you're a farmer, a pupil, or a community member in Agago district, there's a place for you in this vibrant initiative. Join us in nurturing this precious resource and let us reap the rewards of a healthier, more sustainable future for all. Together, let's cultivate a brighter future, one harvest at a time. Paorinher Farm, the home of beauty, in Patongo Town Council, Agago District, northern Uganda. Don't also forget that we have our school, which begins from K1 or nursery to primary 7, that has been leading in the primary leaving examinations in the decades of years. Bring your child to Paorinher Nursery and Primary School so that he or she gets quality and holistic education from our vibrant and outstanding staff. Paorinher Nursery and Primary School. God cares.